Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to Lowe's and we're going to be looking around at all the pretty flowers that they have. I'm going to pick up a few flowers and we're going to be planting those in today's video. Spoiler alert, I did not get to all of them. It started to get really windy and I was feeling drops on my head, so that will be continued in a later video. And also I did want to mention that I do wait to get a lot of my flowers until they start to go on clearance, because I live in the South and they start to go on clearance pretty quickly because it gets really hot here. So probably by mid-May I will be having lots of sales and I'll be taking you along with me. So without further ado, let's check out what they have at Lowe's. I love to buy plants that are at the clearance section. I think it is so fun for me to find a plant in there and nurse it back to health. I also love to get it at a really good price, and you can wait till later in the season to get your flowers like I was saying earlier, and they'll be at a greater discount. So just add some water, fertilizer, and some sunlight, or not direct sun. Read what it says on the directions, and most of the time you can get these plants back to health. So check out your local clearance section. And I couldn't pass by these beautiful hydrangeas without looking. I love hydrangeas, as you know, and I am so excited to start to see mine bloom. So come back and see how my hydrangeas are doing. They aren't blooming yet, but they do have the little buds, and hopefully mine will be as pretty as these really soon. Now that we're back home, I'm just going to show you the items that I picked up from Lowe's. So now that I've planted my seeds, I'm just going to add some more soil to it, which you've seen me do that. I'm just trying to make sure that it is kind of tapped down there, and hopefully the birds won't get to it. If your plant is really bound together with the roots like that, that's called root bound. And I will go ahead and just kind of like take off that bottom part so that the roots can just kind of spread out once I plant them in the soil. I thrifted this pot back in the fall. I don't know if you guys remember it. I thought that was a neat little square pot. Normally don't see ones like that. But these are just randomly placed in these different pots that I have. I will definitely be moving these around and making the backyard look very nice. This is the very beginning stages of working on my yard. As you all know, if you've worked in your yard, it does not happen in a day. So this is just how it's looking right now. And going forward, I'm going to have to keep working at it, and we'll see how it turns out. I was watching a gardening video, and I had heard this before, that your soil needs to be acidic if you want to keep your hydrangeas blue. And yes, please, I want my hydrangeas blue, especially my big leaf. Most of those in the backyard, I bought them blue, but I guess because of the soil, they have turned into more of a purple color. So I will be adding this to my hydrangeas, and we're going to see how it works. I've heard it works from different YouTube channels, but I want to see for myself. So I will keep you guys posted on how the hydrangeas are doing and if they actually do turn back to blue. After I've planted all my flowers, I'm going to fertilize them and then water them really, really well. That really helps them to get a good start. Stay tuned till the end. I'm going to show you a hatched robin's egg that I thought was so neat. I want to thank you so much for going shopping with me at Lowe's. Give my daughter a thumbs up for helping me film this video, and thank you so much for watching. I really enjoy each and every one of you when you comment down below. It definitely makes my day. And if you could give my daughter that thumbs up, I know that would definitely brighten her day too. So with that, please come back. Let me know how you guys are doing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.